Hello, this is Khushi and I'm from Maharashtra.
Hello, I am Ayush Pandey. I am from Kolkata.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshubha and I come from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh.
Hi everyone, this is Mimansa Sharma and I come from the city of Taj Agra.
We are proud students of Lambrin Tech Skills University and today we would like to share some of our key components.
First of all, when we had our admission here, we are not known that we are going to have so much of opportunities that we are having now. We are very blessed to be here in Lambton Texas University.
When we started with our education here, the first thing that captivated me, that attracted my attraction, that attracted me here, was the course structure here and the time period of the classroom structure that we're going to follow. 2.5 years of classroom training and 1.5 years of industry experience. That's something no other university of India provides.
The main feature of our university, or the USP you will say, is that they want to make us industry ready. That is their main motto. After 2.5 years of our engineering degree, they want us to spend our remaining 1.5 year with hands-on experience from the industry, gain skills from the industry experts, and they're actually supporting us to achieve all of that.
Even at this tight schedule of 2.5 years of completion of the course, they are fully concentrating on our life skills, our communication skills, our sports opportunities, and various hackathons.
They not only support us in our academics, but also they help us to develop our soft skills also. They make our skills more enhanced so that we can go for the industry and we can have a very good experience in that field which we are which we are having in our specialization.
The industry these days is looking for people who come in a full package. They should be sound technically and their presentation skill, their communication skill should be at par level with others so that they can do their task, they can complete their task at a good pace. Keeping that in mind, our university has also provided us with good communication classes, collaborating with industry experts in the field.
The main highlight of our university is their collaboration with IBM and other big stream industries also. They're actually not only supporting us academically or in our communication skills, they're actually helping us to identify stream of uh, our stream where we want to go ahead in the future, whether it is research, whether it is entrepreneurship, whether it's getting a good job. They're supporting us in each and every case. Many students of our university have published their research papers in international conferences also in their first year, or we should say in their first semester of engineering. Many students are going to hackathons in PTU, in Madurai. Many IBM hackathons will also be held in our university. So it's not just about that they're training us with academically, but they're actually supporting us in every way possible.
Speaking about cherry on the top, we have various life skills like we are concentrating on our groomings, we are focusing on our physical activities and our mental well being. For that, we have various trainers specialized in their path of excellence.
The collaboration which Lambton Texas University are having are very much beneficial to the students, like the academic partner, Tata, and IBM. Also, the industry partner, RUD, these all are very much beneficial because the subject matter experts which come from IBM and all are people who make the students learn more about their fields, learn more about their specialization which they are pursuing, and help them to gain more hands-on learning experience in that particular field.
One of the most, one of the biggest advantages I would say the students of this university are getting is the kind of exposure that we get. We have already gone to hackathons in Madurai, in Agra, in Mathura. in PTO. Our students have gone to workshops in IIT of Roper, IIT Delhi. We are interacting with subject matter experts of IBM from different places, meeting and interacting with peers of different universities is expanding our horizon about the technical fields. It's helping us know what's in demand in the industry.
So you are studying in which year?
We are first
Yeah,
year.
so
First year.
So how much time you have been here in this university?
8 months.
It has been 8.
So 8 months you have written the research paper. You have written.
Yes.
You
Yes,
have
sir.
Yes,
gone
sir.
to hackathon just in 8 months.
Yes, sir.
We-
Sir, the
our
university
students
is
have
really
gone-
focusing on being.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
It happened in third year or fourth year only.
No. We went
But
to our
we believe
hackathon
that
in
in
the first
Labyrinth
semester.
Skills University, it happens in the first.
We went to a
Okay.
hackathon in the first semester. Our students have already published their papers in the first semester. In this semester, you will be seeing more of our students coming forward with innovative ideas. The more and more research papers are being made. More
And
teams are
very
getting ready
excellent
for
projects are
hackathons.
being made by the students of our.
In first year projects, you are talking about projects in first year.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First year, mostly the students just go and struggle with the
Students
bags and all.
That
Makes
kind
us different, sir. They just
So
don't
not
treat us
only-
as first semester students. They treat us like people who are getting ready for the industry. Whether you are first semester, whether you are second year, they don't care about that. For them, you are an individual who has to be ready for the industry after 2.5 years, and that's what makes us special.
So student is not only working for the university, they want that they want to work for the whole community of a government, because students in Laminate Excels University, they're planning to develop a smart street light project in the campus, which will be further extended to the roadways in Punjab and all, where we can.
It's not just the collaboration within India. It's about the collaboration uh, uh, in the foreign countries also.
Oh.
Like recently, Professor Duncan Bentley from the Vice Chancellor of University of Australia had visited our campus, had interacted with us, and encouraged us to work to that level that we might get opportunities to go abroad also.
The baseline is that the students of our university have started taking initiatives. The teachers, the faculty have started exposing us to management positions. They were asked us to take up management jobs at the university only. We have already started managing events, workshops, and everything. We have already started organizing them. So obviously, we are learning technical skills here from various experts, but also we are learning how to manage other stuff also that will be very beneficial